Hi guys and welcome to a True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. ये लोकेशन देख के आपको पता तो चल गया है कि today we're having a heart to heart after quite some time. I think 2 to 3 weeks हो गए since I've posted like a proper update, what's happening update, heart to heart conversation नहीं किया है. तो मैंने कहा आज कर लेते हैं. First of all, sorry कि ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लेट आया है. To be very honest, there is no reason. I just wasn't feeling motivated टू मेक दिस वीडियो. पता नहीं क्यों, कभी कभी होता है ना कि बस नहीं करना, नहीं मूड हो रहा. एक अलग लेवल की ना डीमोटिवेशन सी आ गई है इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग ऑनेस्टली एट दिस पॉइंट, जिसकी वजह से थिंग्स आर रियली गेटिंग डिलेड. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, आई कांट पिन पॉइंट. यू नो दैट बोन डीप फटीग हो गया है कि आई डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर बट आई जस्ट वांट रेस्ट. मे बी माइंड में बहुत सी चीज़ें चल रही हैं, बट वील गेट ओवर इट आई थिंक विद टाइम होपफुली. Honestly, this is also the reason why I am delaying my decision regarding my CFA level 3 exam. I know a lot of you have asked also on private message, also on the live also you guys had asked, sometimes on the comments also, ki when are you giving, what are your plans. I really haven't thought of it because like I said, एक ना अजीब सी demotivation सी चल रही है मेरा फेस. I don't know why. आजकल ना just वो feeling सी आ रही है कि काश ईजी सक्सेस मिल जाता किसी भी चीज़ में. बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली आई एम दैट पर्सन कि मुझे कभी किसी चीज़ में ईजी सक्सेस नहीं मिला. एंड आई एम नॉट वांटिंग टू गेट सिंपैथी बट इट्स जस्ट अ फैक्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. लाइक इवन विद यूट्यूब देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल जो 1 2 3 वीडियो में या 4 5 वीडियो में ही एकदम वायरल हो जाते हैं. आई हैव नेवर सीन दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन. नॉट दैट आई एम नॉट ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाट आई हैव, द नंबर्स दैट आई गेट, द लव दैट यू गाइज शो इज एनी डे बियॉन्ड दोज नंबर्स. बट कभी कभी यू नो इट जस्ट हिट्स. आई थिंक आई डोंट नो, रेंटिंग थोड़ा बहुत वो फेस चल रहा है. दिसंबर एंड से लेके जनवरी एंड तक आई वॉज बिजी इन माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स वेडिंग. आपको पता ही होगा, एक्चुअली शायद नहीं भी पता होगा बिकॉज मैंने वॉट आई डू इन अ डे बहुत कम डाला है. अगेन नो स्पेसिफिक रीजन, जस्ट यू नो दैट स्लाइट demotivation to pick up the camera. I don't know why, but I will try to get regular in that. So I was in that phase and it was a much needed mental distraction. और जैसे ही वो शादी खत्म हुई, माय गॉड व्हाट अ वेडिंग. आई पोस्ट द शादी व्लॉग, फुल व्लॉग. आई ट्राई टू पोस्ट वन मे बी नेक्स्ट वीक. के बाद जो एड्रेनलिन ड्रॉप हुआ है ना, एंड ऑनेस्टली 3 दिन के लिए तो आवाज़ भी नहीं थी मेरी बिकॉज इट वॉज फन एज हेल. बट या सी शादी वाले नेल्स अभी कल मैं इसको चेंज कराऊंगी. एनीवे, सो वो हुआ था. ऑल्सो फेब 2025 CFA level 1 CFA level 3 एग्जाम है. I was particularly busy with the CFA level 1 candidates because it was the first batch of our customized CFA study plans. We started it off for the Feb 2025 batch, and touchwood, it's been such a good one. I take my last calls for that next week, in this coming week, and it's been such a good journey. I mean, the feedback that I've received is literally, it's everything, you know. It's like, wow. I also wish कि काश मेरे साथ भी कोई ऐसे होता. Which is a quick reminder for the May 2025 CFA level 1 level 2 candidates. This is your last week, like in this coming week, this is your last chance to register for the 16-week plan, post which you will only be eligible for the 8-week plan and not the 16-week plan, right? So in case you're interested, I'm putting the link in the description. Please fill it and, you know, join the customized program. Believe me, you want that buddy in your life. You want that person who can strategize things, and you know जो messy time होता है, especially the last का bit, you want somebody to just put things into perspective and guide you. Listen, do this, help you in what's important, what can be skipped, what shouldn't be your focus. That's what we do. So yeah, if you're interested, I'm putting the link in the description. Fill it. Currently we are running a discount for the August and November 2025 batch. We have started an exclusive 24-week plan as well, in case you want to join that for a more comprehensive, detailed plan, guidance, strategy, to have that buddy. You can join that as well. Again, we are currently running a discount on that, but if you want, you can also go for the 16-week or 8-week plan, whatever suits you. But guys, do check it out. Believe me, it's a game changer. Like sometimes I really wish ki I had this person for me, and honestly this plan wala idea came up from that only, because I wanted somebody to do this for me, and I was like, if I didn't get it, at least the other person should. So check it out, and I know you're not gonna regret. So anyways, वो तो एक बात हो गई. ये क्या, मैं अपने कैमरा को हाइड कर रही हूँ. सच अ बैड व्लॉगर आई एम. सो या बेसिकली लाइफ में यही चल रहा है. थोड़ी हेल्थ इज ऑल्सो गॉन अप एंड डाउन, एज आई टोल्ड यू गाइज. but we will find our foot again. uh, I'm just, I don't know, feeling very of late. I don't know why. बहुत deep level की, even in terms of content, you know, I just feel like I'm very grateful for the love, but कभी कभी लगता है ना, like I told you that I wish किसी चीज़ में तो life में easy success मिल जाए. Even for CFA level 3, it is really, I think, chewed my brain last week, very out of context. But I also had a new client for my business strategy bit that you guys know I do. It's a very confidential client, तो मैं कुछ बता नहीं सकती, but it was a very short stint because there was a lag in between what was expected and what was the outcome. But one of the best clients I've worked, like we've just, you know, put it on pause to see ki how do we align the work better, because I'm that kind of a person that if I'm telling you I'm gonna do ABC, I will give you ABC. I cannot give you anything less than ABC. More okay, less नहीं. तो जब मुझे लगेगा कि यार, you know, this is out of my scope or this is something I cannot deliver to my 100% capacity, I myself take a step back. तो मैं इसलिए आपको भी कहती हूँ plans का कि you should be rest assured with a person like me. Whatever you get offered on this channel is something that I know 100%. If I don't know it 100%, I won't even get into that topic. So that's just a personality. So anyways, but one of the best clients I had worked with or have worked with, again very confidential, तो मैं नाम कुछ डिटेल नहीं बता सकती, and I'm hoping कि we find that collaboration bit proper कि हम कैसे आगे बढ़े, because honestly they are like one set of clients that I really want to work with. And yes, I do business strategy as well for early startups, like early career professionals and early startups are my two verticals. तो मैं ये सब करती हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा ही random update हो गया. Did I tell you I'm doing my nails tomorrow? Yeah, I did. Yeah, then I've told you everything only. Just basically the main point of this video is feeling very demotivated. I don't know why. Maybe आप लोग पहुँचा नहीं रहे हो ना मुझे 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स तक, इसलिए मुझे demotivation आ गई है. Joking, but I think it's just a phase. Maybe the CFA failure is also definitely a part of it. I'm not gonna lie. It's not the easiest thing to deal with. It's just, you know, I think failures really hurt you hard. मेरी एक है client भी है who's also giving CFA. Like her story also when I hear and I'm like, wow, what a powerhouse. Yeah, अभी नहीं बताऊंगी because obviously again private and confidential. But sometimes when I listen to other people's stories and I feel like, Tani, why are you feeling bad for your failures? They have, you know, dealt with so much more and they're still pulling through. तो तू क्यों demotivate हो? You're not just in CFA. I'm getting a little demotivated in other aspects. तो फिर मुझे और बुरा लगता है कि यार तुझे क्यों बुरा लगा, people are going through worse. But then, you know, I've come to realize कि शायद worst और bad का definition नहीं होता. There is definitely maybe worst, but my bad is also bad, right? If it's making sense, I don't know. But अगर आप भी इस situation से गुजर रहे हो, then lots of love and lots of strength to you. Please send some for me as well because I think I need it. But yeah, I'll try to be more regular on the vlogs and I'll try to post earlier, guys. पता नहीं ये किस जन्म में होगा. Anyway, I'm ending this week's video. I'll smile and end it on a more high note. I'm ending this week's video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope to see you guys very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.